Hello everyone, welcome to my channel with me Rahmanisa Hidayati. Today I'm gonna do a simple science experiment by using an electroscope. Before that, I'm gonna show you how to make a handmade electroscope by using stuff that you might have around your house. So, what are you waiting for? Let's just check it out. First, let me introduce you the tools and the materials that I used in this video. The first material is a jar. The jar that I used is a plastic jar, and remember to use the one that you can see the phenomenon through the jar. Next, the jar cover. Actually, you don't have to use the original cover, but you can use other materials that can cover the top of the jar. There's the stick glue gun. It is much better and safer if you use the glue gun. If you don't have the copper wire, you could use the used cables just like me because inside the cables there's a copper wire. If you don't have the aluminum foil, you can use the one from the cheese wrap or the cigarette pack. The one that I used is from the cheese wrap. Because I didn't have the glue gun, so I used the lighter to melt the stick glue gun. First, let's take out the copper wire from the cable by using a cutter, and be careful when using it. When you already have the copper wire, make a spiral just like in the video. Then you make a little hole in the cover so that the copper wire can get in. And to make sure the copper wire is stand firm, you can use the stick glue gun. Be careful when you're using the lighter. After you make sure that the copper wire can stand firmly in the jar cover, then you can cut the aluminum foil by using a scissors. Cut the aluminum foil into two parts. Attach the aluminum foil to the copper hook. To make sure that the aluminum foil is isolated in the jar, you can use the black tape and make sure a little hole is covered by the black tape. Now you already have the electroscope. The electroscope will allow you to identify whether an object is positively or negatively charged. If you bring a negative object near the electroscope, the electrons in the scope will be repelled toward the leaves that made from the aluminum foil, balancing the charge. You can see that the aluminum foil in the jar is repelled each other. So that's it for the experiment for today. Thank you for your attention. See you on next video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.